Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing this low profile jack made by OEMTools, model number 24837 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this will be included in the video description. As you can see, we have the typical OEMTools color scheme of green and black. Steel front and rear wheels with casters at the rear. The handle is two pieces so it can be used in tighter spaces. The lower section of the handle also has a foam protective barrier to prevent damage to a vehicle. We have a tray on the top for fasteners. I tend to use this for lug nuts or lug studs. It also has a 4.3 inch saddle with a jack support pad, so it provides lots of contact and prevents any damage to your vehicle. It's especially great for cars with plastic jack pads, such as BMWs, where it can become easily damaged if using the wrong jack pad saddle. If anyone remembers, I actually made a nylon saddle for my other jack to prevent the damage on the pinch welds on the rocker panel. Once the jack is raised, the handle is twisted to release the pressure, which will lower the jack. There is a return spring which allows the jack to lower efficiently. I've been using this jack for quite a few repairs, putting it through all the tests. This is a low profile jack that has minimum height of 3 3/4 inches, so it's great for lowered cars. It's able to achieve a maximum of 20.5 inches, so it's great for trucks as well. I've been using this on a variety of lower and higher vehicles without any issues. It has a 3.5 ton capacity, so this will work on a wide range of passenger vehicles. This jack is equipped with an overload and bypass safety valves to prevent the jack from being exposed to weights heavier than its capacity and overextension. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.